Sunnybrook's new lineup for the Claas 8000 series begins with the Raptor XD APS drum, featuring a smaller diameter drum, larger paddles that are boronized and reversible to accelerate intake and smooth the transition. This delivers better throughput and prepares the crop for efficient threshing. Next, the Gen 2 high-inertia cylinder maintains consistent momentum, improving separation while reducing power demand and wear, resulting in cleaner samples and fuel savings in the field. The Falcon impeller takes over with SDR technology: separate, distribute, retain. S, separate. Center knives and wing tools divide and spread crop evenly. D, distribute. These paddles are angled to feed the rotors with a smooth laminar flow, reducing surge pressure and minimizing rotor burden. R, retain. The outside vanes are designed to feed the crop back to the helical paddles. Introducing the MaxYield XT concave, designed specifically for the Claas 8000 series, built with a heavy-duty frame to eliminate bowing under load. The MaxYield XT delivers unmatched durability and longevity in the toughest conditions. Pair it with the PrecisionGrate concave insert available in multiple models, all crafted to Sunnybrook Combine Parts premium standards, designed for performance, built to last, and trusted by farmers who demand results. Better threshing, better separation, better samples. Fly past the competition with Sunnybrook Combine Parts.